Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint modern slide. So go to pictures and insert your picture. Now what you have to do is that you have to increase the width of this picture and you have to fit it into the slide. Then you have to rotate it vertically and horizontally. Then you have to paste it and then you have to right click on the top picture and then you have to go to artistic effects and then click on blur. Set the radius to 80, go to brightness setting and set it to minus 20%. Yes. Now you have to crop this image into a little bit smaller than half, and now you have to insert a text box and write your title in it. So what I'm gonna write is San Francisco because it's a PPT slide on San Francisco. So I'm gonna change this color to white, and then I'm gonna change its font to stencil, and I have increased its size as well. So I have made it fit into the template. You have to now enter the body text of the video of the slide and the template. I'm using lorem ipsum as a sample text. Now I'm gonna change its color and I'm gonna change its font and I'm gonna increase its size. You can also change the alignment settings. What the alignment I really love to use is towards the left and the center. So this is what I have done. Select the text again and decrease its size. Adjust both of the text. Now go to shapes and insert a line. Change its outline to white and you have to place it into the middle. Adjust the text. So this is the final result of the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates from my channel. You can download this template from my description.